Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg salad without mayonnaise. First, let's consider our creamy base. Instead of mayonnaise, we can use ingredients like Greek yogurt, mashed avocado, or even hummus. These alternatives provide a rich, satisfying texture and often add a nutritional boost. For example, Greek yogurt offers extra protein, while avocado brings healthy fats. This approach allows for a lighter, yet equally delicious, egg salad experience. To elevate the flavor and texture, incorporate fresh ingredients. Herbs such as chopped dill, chives, or parsley introduce a wonderful freshness. For a delightful crunch, add finely diced celery, red onion, or even bell peppers. A teaspoon of Dijon mustard or a splash of apple cider vinegar can brighten the entire dish with a pleasant tang. These additions ensure your egg salad is not only creamy, but also vibrant and texturally interesting, making every bite enjoyable. Let's dive deeper into our creamy base options. Plain Greek yogurt is an excellent choice, offering a tangy flavor and a significant protein boost, making your egg salad more filling. Mashed ripe avocado provides a wonderfully smooth, rich texture and healthy monounsaturated fats. For a unique savory twist, consider using hummus, which adds an earthy depth and a thick, creamy consistency. Each of these alternatives brings its own distinct character to the dish, allowing for great versatility. Finally, customize your egg salad to perfectly suit your taste. Feel free to adjust the amount of salt, black pepper, or even a dash of paprika. For serving, it's incredibly versatile. Enjoy it on a slice of toasted whole wheat bread, nestled in crisp lettuce cups for a low-carb option, or alongside your favorite crackers. Don't hesitate to experiment with other spices, like a quarter teaspoon of curry powder, to discover your ideal flavor combination. Enjoy your delicious, mayo-free creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.